Good afternoon, students. Welcome to online classes. So yesterday we have explained about electrochemistry and what is the galvanic cell, what is electrolytic cell. We have to explain today how to represent galvanic cell. How to galvanic cell to represent. That is, we have to explain today. So actually, we have done experiment yesterday. That is galvanic cell, how it is working, how it is construction. Today, how the cell is represented, we have to explain. So here, galvanic cell means anode. At anode side, oxidation reaction is always take place. Anode is negative. So that is why we have to take anode reaction. So anode is negative oxidation. Now this is you have to take left hand side. At right hand side, cathode is a positive and a reduction reaction. These two half cells are separated with salt bridge. Salt bridge is denoted with double parallel line. This is called salt bridge. Now this one you have to explain with the chemical reactions. So here at oxidation state, zinc metal in solid form is converted into zinc ion Zn+2, that is aqueous form. Solids and aqueous state ionic form we have to separate single line. And cathode reaction is what? Cu+2 aqueous ion is converted into Cu, that is solid form. Okay. So copper ion is converted to copper, we have to separate single line. This is half cell, this is half cell. These are separated with salt bridge. This is called cell representation of galvanic cell. This is the representation of galvanic cell. So solid form, ionic form, you have to separate single line, and here cathode also you have to do like that. You have to separate ions and solid in single line, and these two half cells are separated with double parallel. This double parallel is indicates what? Salt bridge. So this is representation of galvanic cell. Now what are the conditions when external energy in galvanic cell? What is the electrode potential value? That is 1.1 volts. When external potential is used, then what happens? So galvanic cell potential is, so galvanic cell potential is 1.1 volts. 1.1 volts. Here, if external potential is applied, then what happens? So here case 1. So here external potential is applied. Then what happens? Case 1. If external potential or external energy EXP external potential energy is greater than 1.1 volt. 1.1 volt. Then the electrons are transferred from cathode to anode. So electrons transfer from cathode to anode. Now charge is transferred, means current is transferred. Current is transferred from anode to cathode. Anode to cathode. Now here oxidation reaction is take place where? So oxidation reaction. So here cathode is lose electrons. Here anode is gain electrons. Now oxidation reaction takes place at cathode. Reduction reaction takes place at anode. This is when external potential is 1.1 is greater than 1.2. Now case 2, here what happens? External potential energy is less than 1.1 volt. Then what happens? So electrons are transferred from anode to cathode. Anode to cathode. So electric current, that is current flow from anode to, that is cathode to anode. Cathode to anode. Cathode to anode. Now here oxidation reaction takes place at anode. Reduction reaction takes place at cathode. So this is when external potential energy is less than 1.1. Now case 3, what? Now external potential energy is equal to 1.1 volt. So there is no flow of current. So that is no flow of electrons. So this is about when external potential is greater than or less than or equal. Next one is EMF of the cell. How to calculate EMF, electromotive force. Next one, EMF of the cell, also called electromotive force. Electromotive force. Now it is called electrode potential. Electrode potential. Now generally, what is oxidation electrode potential? What is reduction electrode potential? For example, if you take cell, this is a electrode anode, this is electrode cathode. Electrode is cathode. Now these two are connected with the star, that is wire. Now due to transfer of electron from anode to cathode, here this anode is undergoes dissolve. Now these electrons are transferred through external wire, enters into the towards cathode. means transfer towards cathode. So there is a potential is developed at anode. So now it is what oxidation reaction here. What oxidation reaction take place? Here reduction reaction is take place. The potential is generated at anode. That is why this is called at anode means due to oxidation. The potential is generated. That is what called oxidation potential. Means oxidized potential. Now this is called reduction potential. Means the electrode means the potential difference in between electrodes. The potential difference in between electrodes is called EMF of the cell. So the electrode potential difference in between electrodes is called electrode potential, means electromotive force, EMF. If current is not withdrawn, if current is not withdrawn, that is called what? Electrode potential. If current is not there, means that is called what? Electrode potential. So EMF of cell, electromotive force is equal to E cathode minus E anode. Generally, EMF is nothing but what? Electrode potential. That is called E cell. E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. Now is equal to, cathode is always what? Right hand side. Now E right minus E left. So right hand side, what reaction take place? Reduction reaction. So E reduction minus E oxidation. So this is the calculation of EMF of the cell, electromotive force or what? Electrode potential. What is standard electrode potential? Standard electrode potential. So the electrode potential at 298 Kelvin is equal to 1 molar solution is called what? Standard electrode potential. At 298 K, the potential at standard conditions, the potential at standard means at 298 K in 1 molar solution. The potential at 298 K in 1 molar solution is called standard electrode potential. Standard means at standard condition what is the potential of this cell, that is called standard electrode potential. So now it is denoted with E naught cell. So with respect to this one, you can written as E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So remaining same we have to write. So this is EMF of the cell. Next one is, what is standard hydrogen electrode? So standard hydrogen electrode is also called normal hydrogen electrode. Normal hydrogen electrode. Also called normal hydrogen electrode. So standard hydrogen electrode, that is SHE. This is called SHE. Also called what? Normal hydrogen electrode. Normal hydrogen electrode. Listen to it. Normal hydrogen electrode. So, for example, if you draw the graph roughly, so this is platinum wire. This platinum wire one end is connected with the platinum foil. This is called what? Platinum foil. This platinum wire is coated with platinum black. This is called what? Platinum black. This is called what? Platinum black. What is the importance of platinum black? The platinum black is to absorb the hydrogen gas at surface. Now this is covered or closed with or sealed with one glass tube, that is, this is glass tube. This is glass tube. Now this electrode is dipped in one beaker. That beaker is containing 1 molar concentration of acid. Now this is acid solution. Now it is water, acid solution. What is the concentration of acid solution? That is 1 molar H plus. H plus means what? Acid. Now we have to pass here hydrogen gas 1 atm, 1 atmospheric pressure here, 298 K temperature. 298 K temperature. Right. Now see here what happens. Now this hydrogen gas is absorbed by platinum black. So this is what? PT foil. This is platinum PT black. This is hydrogen gas. This is platinum white, PT white. This platinum black to absorb the hydrogen gas and they form gas bubbles. That is like the bubbles are formed like this. If bubbles are formed means now it is indicates what? It is working. So here what is construction? Platinum wire is connected with platinum foil at end side. This platinum wire is coated with platinum black. This is platinum black. This is, and this platinum black is sealed with one glass tube. This is dipped in one beaker. Beaker has 1 molar concentration of acid. Now, how it is working? See how to work means. So now what is standard hydrogen electrode? Standard hydrogen electrode is a gas electrode. So next first point, SHE. Standard hydrogen electrode is gas electrode. Is a water gas electrode. And here the standard hydrogen electrode act as anode as well as cathode. Anode and cathode, and it has 1 atm atmospheric pressure. and zero, that is 1 molar concentration of acid. 1 molar concentration of acid. This gas is touched, 1 atmosphere gas is touched 1 molar concentration of H plus ions, acid solution. That is called what standard hydrogen electrode. Now, this standard hydrogen electrode called as reference electrode because it acts as anode and as well as cathode. Its potential value is 0 volts. 0 volts. So that is why it is by using standard hydrogen electrode, you have to calculate electrode potential of other cells. That is why it is called what? Reference electrode. Now it is act as anode. How to represent equation? How to write the equation? How to represent cell equation? Now you have to take anode means what? Oxidation reactions take place. So oxidation means here half H2 is converted to H plus by releasing of electron. So releasing of electrons means here oxidation reaction take place. For this one, you have to write cell reaction is, now platinum is a inert electrode. So what is inert electrode means? The electrode which is not participating in chemical reaction but provide the surface. So that is why your platinum is inert electrode. A hydrogen gas is converted to H plus ions. Now half H2. Now your gas pressure is how much? 1 atmosphere. Next it is converted to ions, no? H plus ion. Now concentration is how much? 1 molar. So this is cell representation. When standard hydrogen electrode act as anode. If it act as cathode. Now reverse. So H plus gain electron, it is converted to half of H2. Now it is what? What reaction? Reduction reaction. For this one, how to write cell reaction? So reverse. That is H plus ion concentration is 1 molar plus half H2. That is 1 atm. Right. Now here platinum is a solid, means inert. So this is about standard hydrogen electrode. So standard hydrogen electrode is act as a reference electrode. Its potential value is 0. Okay, when it is act as anode as well as cathode. If act as anode, what is the cell reaction? What is the general oxidation reaction? If it act as cathode, what reactions take place at cathode? What is the cell reaction? Next one, what is inert electrode? Inert electrode means what? Stable. Means these are not participate in chemical reaction, but they provide the surface. So the electrodes do not participate in chemical reaction. chemical reaction, do not participate in chemical reaction, but provide surface for electrons, for source of electrons. This is called inert electrodes. An example for this kind, that is platinum, iron, that is gold, so etc. These are act as what? Inert electrodes. So this is about standard hydrogen electrode or normal hydrogen electrode. Right. So this is today class, that is EMF of the cell, standard hydrogen electrode. And tomorrow I am going to explain what is electrochemical series, what is the importance of electrochemical series and the Nernst equation. Right. Thank you.